Hey, what's up guys? Amado Romero here, listing specialist with eXp Realty from Team Absolute Top Dollar. Today's property is located at 8897 Fontainebleau Boulevard, Miami, Unit 112. Today's property features 1 bedroom, 1 bath, fully remodeled, and a screened-in patio. Let's go check it out. All right guys, so right before we go into unit 112, I want to just talk about the catwalk you have leading up into your unit. What makes this unit really special is that it's a corner unit located on the first floor. You have your parking space right there. You have views of the garden. You even have the canal view right behind me. Come inside guys. Sellers did a great job renovating the entire unit. You have the little formal dining room right here. You have the little breakfast top right there. They did a great job. They have fresh paint throughout the whole entire unit. What I like about this unit as well is that you have the crown molding. It makes the place look so beautiful, guys. So enter here into the dining room area. You also have the living room space right here, which also leads out to the screen patio. What a beautiful job they did with this bathroom. Check out this bathroom. This is such a cool, neat bathroom. This kitchen, totally renovated with the granite countertops, with the white appliances. Look at this backsplash, guys, huh? It looks really nice. You have the nice, kitchen cabinets. You also have more cabinet space right here. Now, what's really neat about this condo is that you also have some really cool amenities. You don't have your own washer and dryer inside the unit, but the great thing about being on the first floor is that the washer and dryer room, the laundry room, is right behind you. Check out the master bedroom, guys. You have a walk-in closet. This condo is selling for only $200,000. What's awesome about this condo where it's located is that you're located by the major highways. You have all forms of entertainment. You have Dolphin Mall a mile away. You have International Mall right up the street. You have FIU, so if you're a college student, FIU University right up the street as well. Check out this patio, guys. First of all, it's very spacious, okay? You also have it screened in. What I like so much about this unit is that you can open up the sliding glass door, keep this closed, no mosquitoes, and you open up the front door because you got 2 doors. You have the gated door and you have the other door, and the other gated door is actually screened in. So if you don't want to, turn the AC on, there's a beautiful breeze that comes in through here because the canal is located right behind me. So check this out. When you walk outside, you have a little section right here, okay? You have an extended patio, okay? Look at this. And then, as you can see right behind me, you have the canal, guys. My team, Absolute Top Dollar, we specialize in probates and foreclosures. If you're in the probate process, we're here to help you maximize your inheritance. If you're in the foreclosure process, I'm sorry to hear that, but our job is if we can help you keep the property, we're gonna do so. But if not, you need a plan B and you don't wanna lose the properties to the banks and you wanna walk away with some money, give us a call. Y para todo mi gente latino, yo sí hablo español. Si estás interesado en vender tu casa, llámame hoy mismo, te puedo ayudar con eso también. Thank you so much for coming out and joining me today on this property tour. Looking forward to seeing you at the next one. Let's go.